can't start praying either. I'm still doing a lot of bad stuff on a daily basis. So I can't pray. I don't want to be a hypocrite. My heart sank when I heard those words, because my first initial thought was, but Allah didn't say that we need to be perfect and sinless, and only then should we start worshipping Him. Every single act of worship is done not because we are already good slaves of Allah, but it's actually in the doing of this worship that we become better slaves of Allah. So we cannot wait to be at a certain level and then start worshipping Allah, because Allah never made such prerequisites. Allah never said, well, you need to be XXX and do YYY, and only then are you worthy to worship me. No, He never said that. In fact, Allah is the only one who accepts us as we are. We in this state of brokenness, we dripping in sins, we full of flaws and shortcomings. And if we think we are a quote-unquote hypocrite to be doing something that pleases Allah, just because we might also be engaged in things that are not in line with the Islamic principles, then perhaps that is something the shaitan wants us to believe in, because it's part of his strategy to bring us away from Allah. Despite some of our best efforts, we will inevitably sin, because we are human. But to constantly hide behind our sins as a reason to not move forward, now I think that's hypocrisy. Because Allah SWT has promised us that no matter how many times we do sin, if we come back to Him in sincere repentance, He will forgive us.